What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami ninja star. It's double-sided, looks like this. And the best thing is you only need one sheet of paper to make it. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so let's get started. So for this ninja star, you will need a square sheet of paper, just like this. But if you want two colors like mine, you're going to need two separate sheets of paper, but just split them both in half. So basically it's just made of two pieces, like this. So if you want different colors, just get two separate ones and split them both in half to make different colored pieces. Okay, so basically we're just going to split our square in half. So just like this. I'm just going to tear mine, but you can cut yours. Okay, so just going to fold it from bottom to top like this. Make sure it's landscape. Just crease that sharply. Okay, now hold it portrait. And we're just going to make a pinch at the halfway point. I'm just going to do a pinch because it's just going to be used as a reference point. You can just fold it all the way, it's up to you, but I'm just going to pinch and just again at each quarter point, just like this. So same with this side, just like this, so I can see where it is. And then what I'm going to do is just take this corner and just fold it to here. So just diagonally, edge to edge, just like that. Crease that sharply, just like that, and then flip it over. Do the same thing, so this corner to this point, just like this. Align it as best as you can. Crease that, so now it should look like this. Then what we're going to do is just take this bottom half of our piece and fold it left. So just like this. And just make sure that this is a nice 90-degree angle like this, and that this line here continues this path here. Okay, just follows that line. And then with this one, we're just gonna take this top half, just fold it right. It's okay if there's a few bumps in the paper, just fold it just like this. Okay, just crease that sharply, like this. And then just turn it over. And then we're just going to fold these two triangular tabs down, okay? So just across these lines, just down like this. Just fold that. Make sure it aligns. And this one, just like this. Now just look like a mini rhombus, like this. And you have these two tabs. These are going to be used for interlocking to make the star later on. Alright, so now for our second piece. So it's going to be very similar to the first one, but this triangle is going to be facing the other way. So it's basically just going to look like this. So for your second piece, whether it's the same color or different color, just take it, fold it in half, just like what we did last time. And just mark your halfway point and your quarter point. And if I'm going too fast, just feel free to pause the video and catch up. Okay, so now that we've got this, we're going to fold it the other way now. So instead of folding it from this way to this way, we're going to fold it from this bottom right corner up to the top left. This is what makes it double-sided, so it's the same on both sides. So I'm just going to fold it this way, again, bottom right to top left, just like this. And then we're going to fold the bottom one right instead of left like what we did last time. And just align that, just like this. And the top one, fold it left. And this is why it's different to the other piece. And then just turn it over and just fold these triangles down. Just following those lines there. And now if you compare it to the other piece that we made, you'll find that it's the exact opposite. So it's facing the other way this time. Okay. So now to put them together and make our star, you'll notice that on one side it has this line going through here, and on the other side it doesn't. Okay, so just be aware of that. So this side, we're just going to hold it up with the line facing upwards like this, and the triangle's facing down. We're going to take our other piece and flip it so that the line is facing down and the triangle's facing up. And we're just going to put this top piece over it like this. And then we're going to take this triangular tab here, and we're just going to tuck it in, so over here, and we're just going to put it under this flap. So we're just going to lift this flap up, just like this, tuck it in, and then just put it back. Okay, so again, so we just got it like this. We're going to lift this up, tuck it in, and just fold it back like this. Okay, and then the same with this bottom one here. So just going to go opposite sides. So fold it, open this up, and just tuck it in all the way, just like this. You can see it's starting to take shape now. So that's upside down, so just turn it over and do the same with this side. Okay, so you're just going to fold it over, and I'm just going to open this up just like this, and then just tuck it in like this all the way. Get as pointy as you can on the ends. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then this side, the last one, just going to fold it over and just tuck it in here. It's a little bit fiddly, but just get it over the first one. Open that pocket as wide as you can and just tuck it in like this, and just press it all flat, and there's your ninja star. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.